When we look at this map, we can see that there are a lot of features that are hard to see. The labels on the base map are too busy, and the base map itself clashes with the symbology of the layer. We will now style the map to give it a better look. From the Map tab on the ribbon, select Base Map. From here, you have access to the pre-configured base maps provided through ArcGIS Online. You can experiment with the different looks till you find a suitable one for your needs. This base map looks nice. It is subtle and does not clash with the colors of the population data. We can augment the look of the base map by combining it with a hill shade to give some texture to the look of the map. Esri Living Atlas is a global collection of maps, apps, and data layers where you can find all sorts of data to add to your projects. From the Contents pane, select the Portal tab and Living Atlas on the far right. From here, you can search Esri's global database for all kinds of geographic content. You also have the option to filter your search to get more specific with what you want. This hillshade layer is perfect to give the textured look we want. So drag it underneath the layer or layers you want to give the textured look to. From the Appearance tab on the ribbon, you can also configure the display properties. The first thing you can try is setting a transparency. This can work, but it often leads to washed out colors. If the phenomenon you're trying to map is symbolized with lighter colors, this leads you to losing all of the context in your map. So a solution to that is using a blend mode, as you can blend layers together to create visual effects that do not compromise your symbology. The multiply blend mode is especially good for this. Apply the blend mode to all the relevant layers. Now, the hillshade effect comes through, giving the map a more textured look and adding a better geographic context to the map.